Welcome back to MH Car Review. Today we are looking at something truly extraordinary, something that doesn't just look like a vehicle but feels like a glimpse into the future. This is the Nomad, and trust me, this isn't just a car, it's a statement, an experience, and a moving luxury space built for the next era of travel. The first thing that grabs your attention is the exterior. The Nomad features a futuristic pod-style structure with a full panoramic glass front that stretches from the bumper all the way over the roof. It gives the vehicle a spacecraft-like personality. The black and gold color combination instantly gives it a premium royal look. The sharp LED laser headlights blend seamlessly into the curved aerodynamic lines of the body, making the vehicle not only beautiful but incredibly efficient at cutting through the air. The gold accents around the edges, vents, and grille add a luxury finish that makes the Nomad stand out like a masterpiece on wheels. The front also carries a bold eagle emblem, a symbol of power, prestige, and innovation. Once you step inside, things become even more surreal. The interior is designed like a first-class private jet. Instead of a traditional cockpit look, you get a lounge-style cabin with futuristic captain chairs featuring premium upholstery, soft ambient lighting, and ultra-minimalistic controls. The massive windshield and sky roof create a completely open environment, giving passengers an unmatched 360-degree view of the outside world. The interior uses a mix of fine leather, high-grade carbon fiber, and brushed metal accents. Everything is seamless. No physical buttons, just touch controls, holographic displays, and voice command systems. The Nomad is also built smart. AI-based driver assistance, autonomous driving capability, climate-adaptive seats, and a fully intelligent infotainment system make this interior one of the most advanced ever seen in a road vehicle. Whether you're driving or relaxing, every detail feels premium, intentional, and ahead of its time. Now let's talk performance, because this beauty isn't just about style. The Nomad is expected to feature an advanced electric drivetrain with high-capacity batteries offering an impressive long-range capability. Instant torque, silent acceleration, and a smooth gliding drive experience make it feel more like floating than driving. With multiple drive modes including Eco, Comfort, and Hyper Performance, the Nomad adapts to every environment. Whether you're cruising highways, navigating cities, or enjoying long-distance luxury travel. Autonomous technology takes things even further, allowing hands-free driving, self-parking, automatic lane changes, and intelligent route learning. Its sensors, radars, and lidar system continuously scan the environment for safety and performance efficiency, making the Nomad not just fast but incredibly intelligent and secure. Finally, let's talk price. A vehicle with this level of futuristic engineering, design, and luxury does not come cheap. While exact market pricing may vary based on region and configuration, early estimates suggest a price anywhere between $500,000 to over $1 million depending on features and customization. This positions the Nomad in the ultra-luxury segment, competing not with ordinary cars, but with luxury private transportation solutions. So, in conclusion, the Nomad isn't just a vehicle, it's the future of mobility. It blends design, luxury, and technology into one breathtaking package. If you're someone looking for comfort, innovation, presence, and futuristic identity, then this machine is definitely built for you. Thanks for watching MH Car Review. If you enjoyed this futuristic ride, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing automotive content. Stay tuned. The future of cars has only just begun.